Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting by removing the controller quickly and safely. First, make sure the switch is off or asleep so you won't trigger inputs. Next, flip the Joy-Con and find the tiny release button on the back near the rail. Press and hold that button. While holding it, keep the console steady with one hand and slide the Joy-Con upward and away from the rail with the other. This releases the locking lug. Once it clears the notch, you'll feel the controller detach smoothly. Once the release is pressed, continue a straight upward slide. Do not twist or yank, because uneven force can stress the latches. If the Joy-Con feels stiff, keep the release depressed and wiggle it gently while sliding. Small resistance often comes from dust or slight misalignment. Avoid metal tools or prying implements that can crack the plastic. After removal, inspect the rail grooves and little plastic latches on both controller and console for debris, wear, or damage so you understand why it was stiff. To finish, reattach by aligning the controller rail to the console and sliding it straight down until it clicks. That confirms proper engagement. If removal was rough, use compressed air to clear lint and debris from the rails and a non-metal pick to remove stubborn fibers. If a controller remains stuck, power off the switch and repeat the release and slide process. Do not force or pry with metal tools. If forcing is required, stop and seek professional repair to avoid permanent damage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.